Hello, friends. This is one of my days when we wake up before the world wakes up. So, let me explain through this day of mine when I, after long, woke up so early in the morning at about 4:30 a.m. Anyways, I just jotted out of the bed, started with some water, freshened up, and sat to study for my upcoming internals. I covered some portion of it and revised also the learned portion which I had revised or like covered the previous day. तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ाई की और फिर बीच में मेरे को नींद आया, सो आई हैड टूक अ नैप. बट थोड़ी देर बाद लाइट चली गई, सो आई वोक अप विद एन एग्रेसिव माइंड. बट एनीवेज आई हैड टू डू, थोड़ा सा कुछ तो खाना था. सो आई हैड दिस कोकोनट अ लिटिल बिट और फिर चला गया था लाइट. सो आई वॉज रियली टेंस्ड और वेरी मच हॉट इन दिस एरिया, सो आई कुडंट बियर इट. इतना तो कभी करंट जाता नहीं है, बट नाउ बिकॉज द रथ यात्राज आर अपकमिंग एंड द सिटी इज़ बिजी डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ अरेंजमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग द कनेक्शंस एंड वायर्स इन द ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स. सो पता नहीं इतना ज़्यादा करंट कट ऑफ हो रहा है. यू नॉट बिलीव हाउ स्वेटी वी गेट just after waking up. So now, yeah, garmi hai, but I have to eat something as my breakfast. So I'm making some coffee. I have one roti with me, so I'll eat it with peanut butter. Let's see पेट भरता है कि नहीं. Okay. But it's so sweaty, so sweaty. You cannot believe. Even the coastals wala जो feeling नहीं होता, it just gets multiplexed during this Rath Yatra time. Literally, we are also the cooperators. Anyways, power cut हुआ था, so I just didn't think that light or current will be coming nearby. So I just prepared my breakfast, as you can see. And I think when we wake up early, we get a lot of time in our hands to do the things which we ignore but are an important part of student life, like studies, a heavy breakfast, a good healthy routine, the proper skincare, and all of these things are also as important as studies. So we just neglect these things, doing or considering it as silly things. But on these days, I feel it all contains in the day, and at the last, it
Now
feels
start
so
counting
good.
how difficult and costly this government hostels are. Bye bye.
But फिर भी the state of physical and mental stability was completely disturbed, at least my one, due to the sweat I was bearing and had
आंसू
never
नहीं भाई.
experienced ever
This
such
is raw
as in
sweat.
coastals. My God. ये तो शायद कुछ अच्छा होना ही था. तो ये चक्रपाणी टीका which I had ordered was delivered, and some of my solid minutes of time was engaged in unpacking it. And yeah, also holding it, I was so happy because this is for the first time I am taking a book for reference of a Samhita, and really it is a much needed one. अभी के लिए productivity being aside, I did a bit of dusting, the ceiling, the floor, and some more, because these are days when actually we get a lot of time, as I said, and current was gone, so I cannot do anything which needs focus. But as I had to get cleansed, so I just was doing this, and then I thought I should take some ORS powder because dehydration has some signs in my body, and I just detected so soon before it gets to a severe stage. So I did had thoda sa ORS powder in between to continue with my cleaning, because some of the spiders were still hanging on. जब मैं ऊपर देखी तो मैं डर गई थी और फिर मैं और एक बार करने लगी. By then, I got some of the orders I have made, which I just received, and rushed to bath. I didn't even open it, I just went to bath. Did my prayers and puja, did a little bit of skincare, lip care, and yeah, I had to unpack the stuff and get it into place because I will not have time in the weekdays. And then I went to have my lunch after that, which was already ready. As I couldn't do anything in that hot and long, unexpected first half of the day, post lunch I laid down some points for a long form video which I had to shoot the same day. And then I was just setting up my location where the light
This
and the
is the
place is
view from
accurate.
my window, and you will not believe how pretty the sunsets in coastals just look.
Just look at this, and this is really surreal. I was enjoying this since a long time, and अभी लगा मेरे को कि आप लोगों को भी दिखाऊं. So people enjoy this. Now it's 6:30 and I have to make a video for my channel which is a bit informative for the new freshers who are liking to join into BMS. So let me get ready and make the video. I'll meet you after that. So you guys can check out the video on my channel which is already published and it is a new concept. So guys, I'm done making the video and I have made a lot of mess जो मेरे को अभी संभालना पड़ेगा. I don't know, I'll study for my examinations or just keep doing this cleaning. यार कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता है. I just feel like cleaning has no ending to it. My God, how this adulting feels like. I have to like take care of all the things now. So let's see. I think that this constant rush of responsibilities is a painful fact but also a reward of responsibility and adulting at the same time. I'm hell tired, my God. अभी I'm done with most of my works. I had थोड़ा छोटा shoots. अभी मैं जा रही हूँ खाना लेने. So let's go. Let me show you this thing. ये मेरी मम्मी चिरौरी भेजी थी. Like she had made this. She has given me this raw वाला and I had gave it in the mess to fry it off. और ये मेरा एक पार्सल आया है. I had ordered like a sunglass. This is my खाना for the day. This is आलू पराठा with इमली का चटनी. And this is a empty box basically. ये मैं किसी को दी थी. So I got that returned. Let's unpack this. तो अभी हो रहा है अबाउट 9 PM इन द नाइट और मैं बना रही हूँ अपना हेयर पैक सो दैट आई जस्ट अप्लाई इट ऑन माई हेयर. फिर मैं करूँगी डिनर एंड आई वॉश माई हेयर. वैसे भी बहुत गर्मी है सो आई डोंट थिंक आई सफ़र फ्रॉम कोल्ड लाइक होप्स टुगेदर. दिस इज़ अ पिल ऑयल आई एड टू माई हेयर पैक एंड नाउ आई बी अप्लाइंग इट. सो Vaat Prakriti and this rough hair is another mess. But yeah, it's so much bushy that I don't feel like मेरा hair fall होता है. But just for softness and get rid of sweat, I'm using some natural ingredient which are having some antibacterial agents in it. So I think अब चूर मार करके चूर्ण बना के या फिर boil करके तो मैं उतना कर नहीं सकती. So I have got this ready-made hair pack which is working wonders literally. ये मेरा शायद 7th या 8th like application है and I have seen the best results. कहीं एक ब्लॉग में मैं बता रही थी that I'll be telling you about the results. So here is it. We for long were planning for a movie night with my favorite person in the college who is shortly going to end up with her UG as an intern. Despite having our exams, this was a much needed one. We ordered some snacks, made some cold coffee for us in a break we took, and then with multiple stretches in between, we wrapped it up about 1 AM. In between we made popcorn, we made cold coffee. Yeah, हम बहुत सारा break लिए थे, but yes, this was literally fun और हम ये बहुत दिन से नहीं करे थे. We do this in between our classes, in weekends and everywhere. We went to places. Some days we went to Bhubaneswar. We just hanged out there. But this was for a long time that she was not getting off from her duty, and we had planned this. तो ये हमको करके ही रहना था. So I said a yes, and she was always ready. And that's it for the video. I'm so sorry for the inconsistency of my vlogs, but promising you that gradually I'll be on track. And that's it. Bye bye. Good night. See you soon.